The next castle stop on our ultimate Disney road trip brings us to Hong Kong to visit the Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. The Explorers Lodge is the newest member of the Hong Kong Disneyland on-site properties, and it opened in April of 2017. It boasts a breathtaking waterfront location complete with interactive gardens surrounding the property. It follows an exploration theme of 4 different tropical climates following Africa, Asia, Oceania, and South America. As guests make their way through this 750-room hotel, they will find themselves completely immersed in the golden age of exploration, heading back to the 1920s. It's filled with artifacts and memorabilia throughout the hotel property and a lot of unique Disney touches. For our adventure, we stayed in a sea view room. This room featured 2 queen beds, which sleeps up to 4 people. There are also options for connecting rooms for larger families, and it gives an awesome, breathtaking view of the sea. As you can see, the Explorers Lodge didn't skimp on Disney magic. Throughout the room, we found all kinds of hidden Mickeys and other little touches that Rue really enjoyed and helped make her stay that much more magical. As a family traveling with 4 people, sometimes space can be a serious issue. We really enjoyed the fact that the Explorers Lodge featured a room that was large enough for us to spread out, but also had a bathroom that was well equipped. The bathroom sink is separate from the shower and toilet area, which allows for different members of the family to be able to get ready at the same time. One of my favorite items in the bathroom area was the super cute amenities kit that also doubles as a souvenir. Big on souvenirs, our room also included a set of slippers, not only for the adults but also for the kiddos. Rue really loved this touch. The folks at the Explorers Lodge really took the time to make sure that the rooms followed a cohesive theme. When you opened the window, you got a great view of the South China Sea. My only complaint for this room, and it was a small one, was that there seemed to be some type of construction going on next door. It only mildly obstructed our view and didn't take away from its beauty at all, or the sunsets that came along with it. Rue really loved that the Explorers Hotel had an interactive feel to it. The hotel has 4 gardens themed to the 4 areas of the hotel, each with characters that correspond with the theme. So there's Kevin from South America, Little Squirt from Oceania, Hathi Jr. in Asia, and Rafiki in Africa. The gardens really allow for you to just be completely immersed in the Explorer theme. But if you're looking for a chance to sit and relax and look out at the South China Sea, you can do that as well. There is a special entrance for Disney Explorer Hotel guests, and you can walk right out to the South China Sea and take in the beautiful sunset or sunrise and take some breathtaking pictures. One of the other really cool features of Disney's Explorers Lodge is that as the wing of the hotel changes from Africa or maybe Oceania, then the theming of the actual building changes. So if you're in Oceania, then you might find thatched roofs, or Hawaii, you might find surfboards. It is really an intricate attention to detail, and I really appreciate that. The Hong Kong Disneyland Resort hotels are rather close to each other, so you could even see Disney's Hollywood Hotel right next door. This also serves an important part because while we were visiting Disney Explorers Lodge, unfortunately the pool was under maintenance. However, there were alternative activities for you to go and experience at Disney's Hollywood Hotel and the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. This meant that we didn't miss out on visiting a pool because we could just go right next door using the shuttle. Now, I know you guys are probably all wondering, what about the food? Well, Disney Explorers Lodge actually takes care of that as well, with their 3 on-site restaurants as well as in-room dining. The first restaurant is the Dragon Wind restaurant. It's where you can have a character breakfast, but they also have a dinner menu where you can experience authentic Cantonese dishes. The Chart Room Cafe is more of your casual eatery. It's a place where you can have a different selection of coffees and casual dining options. There's also some pretty delicious dessert options that you won't want to miss. If you're thinking about room service, what we noticed was that most of the menu items that are on the Chart Room Cafe's menu are also on the room service menu. So this includes things like breakfast items, salads, fresh made sandwiches, and pastas. If you're looking for a little bit more of an upscale dining experience, then you should try the World of Color restaurant. The World of Color restaurant brings together a bunch of different food cultures from across the world and puts them together with a symphony of textures and flavors that are fresh and light and new. We didn't get a chance to try them this time around because we were so busy, but next time. One of the things I noticed about Disney Explorers Lodge was that it just wasn't self-serving intricate detailing. Little details like this one that showed braille that indicated going up the stairs as well as down the stairs are little details that matter when you're traveling as a family and with those who may have disabilities or challenges. I just have to take a moment and talk about the lobby carpet. This carpet was so soft and so springy, I just wanted to take my shoes off and walk around on it. I don't know what kind of carpet it was, but it was great. The detailing in the lobby ties the Explorers theme all together, and there's even a trading post for you to buy some of your favorite Disney souvenirs. For your stay at Disney Explorers Lodge, be sure to check out the recreation guide. It gives you a complete list of all of the activities available for kids throughout the day, as well as some special touches that you might want to take advantage of during your stay. All in all, we thoroughly enjoyed our visit to Disney Explorers Lodge. It really helped tie in the magic of our Disney experience, and with its amenities like the resort shuttles directly to the park, dedicated park entrance, and passes to be able to ride some of the hottest attractions just for staying on site is a great reason for you to consider it for your Disney vacation to the Hong Kong Disneyland Resort.